Passing away is something that we all end up having to think about, and this book makes it super easy to think about everything you have to leave behind. So I absolutely love the cover. As you can see, they have these wings on them, which makes it so incredible to look at. You're also going to get the elastic band to keep it closed, and even a place to place a pen. Inside, you're going to have so many different tabs. So we're going to start with the personal information. So everything from your full legal name, maiden name, siblings, burial places, everything is in here, including the locations of documents and keys. You can also see that there's a medical tab, who to notify, arrangements, dependents, financials, even for your credit card information. You can place everything down here. Now, moving on, we also have businesses. So if you have any business websites, social media information, key employees, you can leave this all behind for your family. There's also beneficiary information and key contacts, but we're not done yet. Once you flip this over, there's even more things. So you're going to be able to leave all the information for your personal property, your insurance, your pets, and even a tab to pay or cancel anything from debit card accounts to utilities, gas and oil providers, and so much more. But we're not done. There is more. There's accounts and passwords, instructions as well, if anything they want to communicate to you from beyond. Your wishes, you can add in your personal wishes, and even a space for your last words. Now, I know it is super sad to think about of someone passing away or you yourself, but it is super important to have something like this to keep your family in the loop of everything you had, everything they have to do for you and to you. So check this out on Amazon. It is truly an important thing to keep around.